Welcome, coffee lovers. Ever wondered about the magic behind that strong, rich brew from a moka pot? We're diving into how stovetop espresso works. The moka pot is an iconic piece of Italian design and coffee history, producing a brew that sits perfectly between drip coffee and true espresso. Invented by Alfonso Bialetti in 1933, the moka pot is a stovetop coffee maker that uses steam pressure to force water through coffee grounds, yielding a concentrated, espresso-like beverage. It consists of three main chambers: the bottom chamber for water, the middle filter basket for coffee grounds, and the top chamber where the final brew collects. Let's walk through the steps of preparing and brewing with the moka pot to understand the physics at play. First, cold or preheated water is added to the bottom chamber, but always below the level of the safety valve. Next, the finely ground coffee is added to the filter basket. It's crucial not to tamp the coffee too hard, as this can block the flow. The whole process hinges on the principle of steam pressure, turning simple water and heat into a powerful brewing mechanism. Once assembled, the moka pot is placed on the stove over medium heat. The heat source starts warming the water in the bottom chamber. As the water heats up, it eventually reaches boiling point, turning some of the liquid into pressurized steam. This buildup of steam pressure in the sealed bottom chamber forces the hot water to rise up through a funnel and through the coffee ground. This high-pressure passage is what extracts the rich flavors and oils, creating the characteristic intensity of the moka pot brew. The hot water passes through the tightly packed coffee grounds in the filter basket, dissolving the flavor compounds and caffeine. The newly brewed coffee then travels up a central column and flows out into the top collection chamber, ready for drinking. What you end up with is a concentrated, strong coffee, often topped with a light layer of foam, similar to the crema on espresso. You'll hear a distinct gurgling or sputtering sound when the brewing is almost complete, serving as your audio cue to turn off the heat. It's important to remove the moka pot from the heat immediately after the brewing is finished to prevent the coffee from overheating and becoming bitter. Pour the concentrated coffee immediately into your cup. Enjoy it straight, or use it as a base for lattes and cappuccinos. The moka pot offers a fantastic way to achieve a rich, strong coffee at home, thanks to the simple yet ingenious physics of steam pressure. They are simple, affordable, and consistently deliver a satisfyingly strong and aromatic cup of coffee, keeping this tradition alive worldwide.